So here guys, today in this video, we are going to see that how can you upgrade your Codex CLI using your command prompt. So firstly, what we need to do is we need to open our command prompt, and here we have to search for uh, node version and npm version, node-v and npm-v. Since both of these are installed in my computer, that means we are ready to go. So when you read the documentation of Codex, you will see something like this command works. But when you just type this command, you will see some kind of error. You can see that there is no argument found. So there are two ways to fix this. Either you can just reinstall your codex again. Let me show you just. Just go inside codex. Okay. So you can see that we have now opened our codex CLI. Now, what you have to do is you can see the version here. Okay. Now you can just type codex upgrade here only. This will treat it as a command. Now you can see that you want the local codex CLI upgraded. I am checking whether the command is available here and will run the upgrade part directly if it is. So what this will do is it will just understand what you want to do, and this will automatically upgrade it. So now I will just interrupt this. Now what I have to do is I will just reopen my command prompt again because this method is going to work here. So I will just show you the next method. Open your command prompt again. And now, since we have npm and node installed, so we can just type this command. Actually, this command npm install -g, that is global installation at OpenAI/codex. When you just run this command, then you can reinstall your codex and you will get the upgraded version. Now you can see that there are two change packages. Now let's check the codex version here. So yeah, you can see that our version our version was already the latest one, so it has not upgraded yet. That's all for this video guys. Now let's see you next time.